Study online. How can I talk to my teacher and classmates? Use mute and video on Zoom. I want to talk on Zoom with a computer. Click Unmute. With a smartphone. 1. Tap the screen. 2. Tap Unmute. Now my teacher and classmates can hear me. I do not want to talk on Zoom. With a computer. Click Mute. With a smartphone. Tap Mute. Now my teacher and classmates cannot hear me. I want my teacher and classmates to see me. On a computer. Click Start Video. On a smartphone. 1. Tap the screen. 2. Tap Start Video. Now my teacher and classmates can see me. I do not want my teacher and classmates to see me. On a computer. Click Stop Video. On a smartphone. Tap Stop Video. Now my teacher and classmates cannot see me.